ャズピアノのレッスンをお送りします。I will show you simple walking bass that I use all the time with the chord progression of all the things you are. If you have a real book, the yellow covered book, I don't have a cover anymore, but it's on page 22. The first chord is F minor 7. What I use is the root, fifths, and octave. That's it. But you have to make 4 beats for walking bass line to make it sound like walking. So 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. The order doesn't matter really, as long as you start from the root. So I go to the next chord, B flat minor 7, root, 5th octave. The reason why I went down this time is if you keep moving up like this, it doesn't sound like bass anymore. So I go down for B flat minor 7 and then E flat 7. Then C major 7 for 2 measures. Like this. See, it's easy. Once you get used to this root, 5th octave movement, you can start to use approach note on the 4th beat, right before the next chord. An approach note can be half step below the next chord root or half step above. So F minor 7 to B flat minor 7, you can use A to B flat or B natural to go to B flat. So 1, 2, 3, approach, 1, 2, 3, approach to E flat, 2, approach to A flat. Like this. And like major 14th, which is A minor 7 flat 5 and D7, there are 2 chords. If so, you can use root, approach, like this. You can practice walking bass with metronome. So I will set 88 now. So like this. Now I will play with the chords. 1, 2, 1, 2. I hope you liked today's lesson. It might take some time to get used to play with approach notes, but try with other tunes, and anyway, enjoy practicing. See you in the next lesson.